My name is James Williams. I'm from San Diego, and I designed this personal defense key for CRKT. You've got a tremendously strong tool that will really help you to break contact, so to speak. I wanted something you could put into your hand and would sit comfortably, a lot of pressure so that it goes into the palm of your hand. We built it very strong, stainless steel. It's molded over the top so it's comfortable for you. It's not going to come loose. You can travel with them. I get them through security, put them with your car keys. I carry them everywhere, a place where you can't normally. So what you have is a very simple, inexpensive personal defense tool that you should have with you all the time.
Hi, my name is Stanwick Austin McGlone. I'm a U.S. Army veteran from Americus, Georgia. Clever Girl started as a fixed blade design that was based on some of my experiences in Iraq. The blade shape is called a trailing point. It's a very effective design for slicing and cutting. The handle material is G10. G10's a very, very hard, sturdy composite. It has a very good grip. You can see here where it's profiled and ridged to help give you maximum retention. Because at the end of the day, we know we're not making knitting needles. These are tools to be used in serious situations.
This is the Flatiron by Gerber. Unique cleaver-style blade is ideal for heavy-duty chopping tasks or close-in detail work. 7CR stainless steel is tough and resists corrosion. The Flatiron is available in desert tan textured G10 composite or gray anodized aluminum. A thumb hole in the blade makes it quick and easy to deploy. An oversized choil on the blade gives you precision control. A frame lock with integrated over-travel disc gives you secure, confident lockup and is easy to close. It comes with a short pocket clip, positioned for tip-up carry. The Flatiron is a versatile, practical, everyday knife with a completely unique look.
They said red dots were too big for concealed carry. They said their batteries won't last. They break too easy. They snag. They were wrong. Introducing the Trijicon RMR-CC. It's designed with the legendary RMR's patented shape, ruggedized durability, and proven electronics and accuracy. Yet it's designed specifically for concealed carry, with a smaller height and lower profile, along with a smaller footprint, which makes the RMR-CC perfect for popular compact pistols, as well as optic-ready full-size pistols and even custom-milled 1911s. Carry with confidence and protect with certainty. The Trijicon RMR-CC. Rugged, accurate, compact.
Razel came about?
Well, the Razel story, basically, we're very part-time knife makers at the time, and I was working as a diesel tech at a company on their fleet, and it was me and my brother back then, and he was a truck driver, and he liked old-fashioned straight razors. He called me from the road. He wanted one that looked like a straight razor, so I drew one. And then it just kind of popped in my head. Being a mechanic, I use cold chisels a lot. And I didn't like the front of it not having anything. So I thought, well, why not put a cold chisel on the end of it? And we made a few of them, and we're like, this is pretty good. And we made them fixed blade pocket knives so we could carry them every day and test them. Then it just kind of grew from there to, I don't know, there's probably 25 different designs of the Razel now. But I could scrape gaskets with it, I could push cutting with the front tip, and the double-edged point where it is like a Wharncliffe, and you're able to like ream a hole with a half twist instead of having to go all the way around. So it took off from there. It's been my thing for a very long time. I didn't know that people made custom knives. I love knives because my dad loved them. My dad was a preacher, but he would take a cedar log and he'd whittle it down, and then he would cut squares in the top and J.B. Weld whetstones in it, and he would give them away as gifts. And he taught me how to sharpen a knife. From there, you know, I carried a knife from the time I was 6 years old. I don't have my first one, but I do have my second knife. Both of them Queen Steels. But I was in the Air Force in Italy for 3 years, and that was in late 80s. And I found a Blade magazine, first time I'd ever seen one, in the Base Exchange. And I was like, people hand make knives? That's something I want to do one day. And it was like 5 or 6 years later, and I started doing kit knives on a table in my bedroom. I had a Big Lots drill press and a pan of ice. And that's where I started, anyway.